Hey, good morning, it's Monday. It's actually the 2nd of April, and I didn't realise until yesterday that it even was April, because I'm stupid, I think. And I have something running around my lift, as you may have just noticed. Charlie, I see you. Well, I sort of see you. It's kind of a little bit hard to see you when you're grey and you're running around a grey floor. But anyway, he's in there because I have to use that to clean out that. So, I'm gonna go and do that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, what are you doing? I have a chinchilla on my legs. Okay, well, his cage is all clean. And I think he wants to go back into it because I think he's tired. Are you a tired chinchilla? Huh? Yeah. And he's like, let me back in there. So, I think we'll put him back in his cage and let him sleep. And there's a treat for him to find. Hey guys, good morning. It's the 4th of... No, it isn't. It's the 3rd of April. It's Tuesday, and I've just done breakfast, which was really nice. I had some cornflakes and a cup of tea. And I need to clean out Mr. Charlie's cage over there, which I will do in a few minutes. And then I need to go on the computer and do a few things. I have an appointment in the afternoon, and then I can chill out for the rest of the day. Sounds like a good plan, yeah? Yeah, I think so too. If anyone is actually wondering why Charlie is here, Charlie is actually a class pet. He lives at the school where my sister works, and the moment it's Easter, it's like the Easter holidays from school, and the children get 2 weeks off. And every school holiday, Charlie usually comes home with my sister. But because it's Easter, my sister decided that she wanted to do things with the family, so I said, okay, I'll take care of Charlie then. Because I have time to take him out of his cage every day and pet him and clean him and stuff like that. And my sister can spend some time with her family then. It's a good idea. I think I'm going to sneeze. Good grief. Yeah, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, jeez. Excuse me, guys. That's not very nice, is it? No. Stupid hay fever. I think it's hay fever or an allergy or something. I don't know. But anyway, I decided that I would take care of Charlie because I have the time to take him out and pet him and clean him and spend time with him. So my sister can be busy with all this stuff. So he's only here for Easter holidays, and then he goes back to school, and then where is all this sneezing coming from? Oh jeez, it's really, really irritating. So yeah, I'm going to clean out his cage, and I'm going to do some other stuff on the computer before I go to my appointment, and then I can chill out this afternoon. Really, really good plan, and it's going to be a really good day. I can feel it today. Okay guys, I will catch you later. I need to stop sneezing, jeez. Oh, how I would love to be in my bed just like that thing over there. I'm so jealous. And I'm looking for the TV remote control, and can't find it. I'm lying. It's right here. Go away, TV. Off. Off, 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 off. Can never turn the TV off. It's really annoying. It's like, okay, TV's not gonna win. I'm gonna win. It's not nice when that happens. It's almost 11:15. It's Wednesday. It's the 4th of April, and I haven't done anything yet. How good am I? It's like I don't want to do anything. I don't want to move. I don't want to move. Okay, I'm not moving. I have been awake since 9 o'clock. I lay for half an hour in bed reading Twitter messages, and I didn't want to get up, but I was hungry, so the hunger kind of beat me. And I haven't done anything yet. I need to clean Charlie's cage, and I need to have a shower, and I need to have a fight with my computer because it keeps blue screening, and I don't like blue screens. And I need to figure out what's going on with that, because it's not handy. It always seems to blue screen when I'm in the middle of a Skype conversation, which is frustrating, and which tells me that it's probably an issue with my RAM. That's going to be expensive if that's the problem. But I will figure it out one way or another. I don't have time for it to blue screen. It needs to be fixed. I actually want to upgrade it. I was thinking of replacing the RAM anyway, because I thought the RAM was possibly an issue. If it's not an issue, I obviously don't have to replace it. There are tests for that. I can do some RAM tests and find that out. But I was thinking of replacing the memory. And maybe the sound card, because I have a feeling that what I want to do is going to require a new sound card. And I was going to upgrade it to Windows 7. I'm kind of sick of Vista. But one way or another, I'm thinking of upgrading it. First I have to find out what's wrong with it and why it keeps blue screening. Because I don't see any driver errors anywhere in the system. But I'll figure it out. I want to go to bed. Can I, go to your bed? No? Oh, okay. You know what, guys? It's actually snowing outside. Or it was snowing outside this morning. It's April, and it was snowing outside. It's ridiculous. But, I need to move now. I need to clean Charlie's cage. And I need to get a shower. And I don't know if you can hear. Probably not. I'm doing laundry too, so yeah, I'll get that finished. And I'm actually going to end my vlog, because today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Thursday, and I want to try and get it so that I edit my vlogs every Thursday. So for now, I'm going to end my vlog. I hope it hasn't been too boring for you. I will catch you again next week. I would like to thank you for watching. And until next week, I hope that you will be, reasonably well behaved. Yeah, right. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will catch you next week. Until then, bye bye.